brutal wind. I'm just west of Salina, kind of on one of the back roads. You can see a little haze in the sky from all the dust that's been blowing around and blowing up from western Kansas and everything. And you can also see the leading edge of the severe thunderstorm that is pretty much hauling between 45 and 55 miles an hour to the northeast, heading straight towards Salina. I'm on Niles Road, east of Salina by about 5 miles, and you can see the rain curtains just hauling to the north from the south on the leading edge of this storm. Interstate 135 on the west side of Salina.